Guys, welcome to my mini saving challenges video. Today I'm going to complete all my left challenges. I have one or two challenges which are incomplete. Rest of them are all completed. So here's the money which we are going to stuff today. So this is our first challenge and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 notes of 10 rupees here. Let's see how much we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 notes of 10 rupees here. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. We are stuffing 120 rupees in this saving challenge and we have completed this today. This one is completed and this one is also completed, and we have next star saving challenge. So I'm going to color all of these stars today. So let's start from the below. 37 plus 32 plus 1 plus 19 plus 20 plus 36 plus 30 plus 5 plus 34 plus 25 plus 21 plus 24 plus 35 plus 36 plus 9 plus 19 plus 36 plus 25 plus 36 plus 14, and it's 494 rupees we have to stuff here. Let's color them all. I have colored all the stars here and we have to stuff 494 rupees. So I'm going to round up and I'm going to add 500 rupee note in this saving challenge, and we have completed this today. Next we have this scratch off saving challenge, and I'm going to complete this today as well. So we have to stuff 100 rupee here, and that's great that we are only left with 100 rupees. Let's add this money in binder. So this one is also completed. And this one is also completed. So guys, I have completed all my mini saving challenges, and let's unstuff this binder and let's see how much amount we have collected in this binder. First one is this 10 rupee every Friday saving challenge, and it says that it will save us 520 rupees. Let's count how much we have saved here. Look the amount we have collected here. It's great. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 220 rupees. We have collected the exact amount which is shown here. Next is this umbrella saving challenge. And it says that we will save 120 into 2, 240 rupees here. Let's count what we have saved here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 240 rupees. So we have saved exact 240 rupees here. Next is this green heart saving challenge, and it says that we will save 2000 rupees in this saving challenge. Let's count what we have saved here. 500, 1000, 1500 and 2000. So we have saved the exact amount 2000 rupees in this saving challenge. Next we have this star saving challenge, and it says we will save 2500 rupees in this saving challenge. Let's count. 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500 and 10 rupees. So we saved 10 rupee extra in this saving challenge. So I mentioned it here that we have saved 10 rupee extra in this saving challenge. Next we have this scratch off saving challenge, and we supposed to save 200, 200, 300, 400 and 500 rupees in this scratch off saving challenge. Let's count how much we have saved here. 200, 400 and 500. So we have saved the exact amount which we are supposed to save in this saving challenge. Last challenge is this 1000 rupees in 30 days saving challenge. Let's see. 200, 400, 600, 800 and 1000. So we saved the exact amount in this saving challenge. Let's give a final count to our savings, that what we have saved in our mini saving challenges. 1000 rupees plus 500 plus 2500 plus 10 rupees plus 2000 plus 240 rupees and plus 520 rupees. So guys, we saved 6770 rupees from our mini saving challenges, and that's a very good amount for this mini saving challenge. That's why I love to save money like this. Let's give a count here. We must have 6770 rupees, 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, 3500, 4000, 4500, minus 4500, 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1000, 200, 400, 500, 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, minus 240, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, 1 2 3, so it's 530. So we have the exact amount. So this is the money which I saved from my mini saving challenge, and I'm going to stuff this money into my 200 envelope saving challenge, which I'm going to show you all in my next video. Till then, take care, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel to watch more such videos. Thank you so much, and bye bye.